Hello and welcome back, guys. I am near Rani Jari coffee shop. So this was the place where we used to get a offline ticket to trek towards Rani Jari viewpoint or Balarayana Durga Fort or Bandaji Arbi Falls. It is also written over here that we get offline tickets here, but we no longer get tickets at this place. I'll be showing you the place where we get the tickets, but this is the update for you guys if you are planning for Rani Jari viewpoint, or if you are planning to trek towards a Bandaji Arbi Falls or a Balarayana Durga Fort. So let's go towards the place. I'll show you in some time. So we have to go this way, the upper side road.
ಕೋಟೆಗೆ ಅಂತ ದಾರಿ
ಹಾಂ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀದಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕೋಟೆ ಹೋಗಲಿ ಕೋಟೆಗೆ ಬಂಡಾಜ ಫಾಲ್ಸಿಗೆ
ಹಾಂ
ಸೀದಾ ಈಗ ಬಂಡಾಜ ಫಾಲ್ಸಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ
ಓಕೆ
ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಕೋಟೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೀಮ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಬರೋತ್ತಿಗೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ
ಹಾಂ
ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ
ಓಕೆ
ಆ ಥರನೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು
ಓಕೆ
ಆಯಿತಾ ಅವರು ಕೋಟೆಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು
ಹಾಂ
ಹೋದವರು
ಹಾಂ
ಅವ್ರು ಕೋಟೆಯಿಂದ ರಿಟರ್ನ್
ಓಕೆ
ನಾವು ಬರ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು ಬರ್ತೀವಿ
Huh. Okay, so there is one change over here. So you'll have to take a receipt here at this particular place. So this is the receipt, and they'll allocate guide also, and that will be the second destination, that is the fort. Okay, so here is where we'll park the bike and we'll go towards a viewpoint. First viewpoint, then fort, then Bandaji Arbi Falls. There is a clear boards available now, and guides will not be required anymore. So this is Rani Jari viewpoint, covered fully with snow. Okay, so this was Rani Jari viewpoint. We're now heading towards Balarayana Durga Fort, and we'll have to come back here because once after there is a sun, the view will be another again changed. So you can so the trek level is easy, not an issue, we can go. Okay, the first 3 kilometers, that is till we reach fort, you'll be finding a route like this, but after the fort is done, the terrain will change from trees to grassland. Okay, so it's just like 2 kilometers of a route like this. So there is another way from this side, you need not to take this one. The place where we parked our bike, right, from there if you go straight, you go to Balarayana Durga Fort itself. And yes, lychees are there, so you'll have to be careful. So that is where the fort is, and that is where we are going next. That's a watchtower where I'm planning to go.
Okay, so in another 1 or 2 minutes, there will be a water stream over here. We're gonna take a break at that place. Uh, I'll show you the place once we reach there. Okay, so this is where the water stream is, the what I was talking about. Once you reach that water stream, get to know that this forest kind of trail is gonna over, and grassland is gonna start, just like this. So from here till we reach waterfalls, the trail is gonna be like this. So here is the point. So this way leads to waterfalls, and this way leads to fort. There are clear markings over here. So what I'm predicting is, once we go to fort, I don't know whether we have to come here like this, but first we are gonna go to fort, then we'll go to waterfalls. So the time is 8:50. We started around 7:50. So exactly 1 hour is what it took, and that is our fort entrance. So this is how we came from, and so this fort name is Balarayana Durga Fort, and it is a 16th century fort. Nothing remains here other than these walls, and this fort was constructed during Hoysala dynasty. That is what information I have. There's nothing much. The fort is in ruins. The walls are also, and you can just witness the walls if you visit this particular fort. If you ignore the walls, then the view 360 panoramic view will be awesome, and you'll be mesmerized with the view. So our plan is to go there. There's a watchtower. Once we So we are going towards Bandaja Arbi Falls, and that is the way. So the board where there was a junction, right? We have to go there and trek towards that side. There's a easy path, but that is the way to go towards that side. So we are back at this junction. So we had been to fort, that is this way. Now we are going towards Bandaji Arbi Falls. So remember, if you have to go to forts or and Bandaji Arbi Falls, you have to come here. So what we decided is, we went towards forts first. Now we are going towards falls, so that once we come back same this way, we'll go down. This will be the way towards down. Okay, there is a board over here. It says way to Bandaje Falls. Let's go this side. There's one more board here. Now we reach the waterfalls, so we are near and we can hear the waterfall sound. So the time is 11:10. So it looks like it took approximately 2 hours from Balarayana Durga Fort. So the good thing or the interesting thing about this particular trek is climbing down was easy, but returning will be difficult. It's a lot of climbing up, and last 1 kilometer patch was very difficult to get down. My shoes are already almost broken. I'll show you in some time. Right now we are going towards the edge of the falls. So right now we have 4 here. Actually, I don't know when these 2 have come, but throughout the trek we were only 2, me and my friend. So I was talking about my shoes, right? So it has purely gone. So these are Wildcraft's shoes. I have used these for many times, but yeah, my legs are shivering as well. So make sure your shoes are proper when you trek here, but it's worth it trekking at this point. 6 to 7 kilometers of a trek, and as a reward you get to see these beautiful waterfalls. That is no less than a reward for me. The time for some food. We have bread and jam. We also have roti. We'll be having it later. So we'll start with bread jam with a view. So we are not gonna throw any trash here. We are gonna carry this packet. We have a polythene bag. We're gonna take it and go. So we would also request, the entire trail was free of any kind of waste materials like empty bottles or any polythenes. Okay, so let's keep this place clean. It's not a hidden place, but a less explored place. So we request you to keep this place clean. Okay, so we had to wait a lot because it started to rain, fog, and finally we got a drone footage. Hope you liked it. We also got few people who wanted their drone footages to be captured. I did it, and finally we are leaving now. What is the time? So time is 1:30. I'll update you guys once I reach the base. I'll add the time strap later. It's still raining here, so let me see if we can get a tea over there. Rain and tea, much needed. Okay, so this is the base. What we can see in the front of us. The time is 5 o'clock, and we're done with the trek. We are now leaving for Bangalore. So that is all for this particular vlog, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please do hit the subscribe button and support us. That really means a lot for us. It helps us keep going, it motivates us. So hit the subscribe button if you have enjoyed the video. That's all for today's vlog. Bye, take care.